we will manually test all 5 CRUD endpoints. Ensure the server is running, then open your API testing tool Postman, RapidAPI, etc. 1. Create users. Send a post request to API/NAC/users with the JSON payload shown in the video. Two. Read users. To verify the creation, send a GET request to the same API/NAC/users endpoint. 3. Update user. To edit a user, send a patch request to API/NAC/users/:ID with the updated JSON in the body. 4. Fetch a user. To retrieve a specific user record, send a GET request to API/NAC/users/:ID. 5. Delete user. To remove a record, send a delete request to API/NAC/users/:ID. If you call the list users API, you will see that the deleted record has been removed from the results. Note: post, patch, and delete requests return the affected record in the response.